You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Nawa sa pamagitan ng ating paggabay, pagpapayo at pag-akay sa batang ito, tunay siyang lumaking isang mabuting mamamayang Kristiyano na lubusang nagsasabuhay ng pananampalataya sa pamagitan ng kanyang mabubuting gawa, upang sa pagdikting ng panahon, tunay din niyang anihin ang gantimpalang kaloob ng Diyos para sa lahat ng binyagan at mananampalatayang Kristiyano, ang buhay na walang hanggan para sa lahat ng binyagan at mananampalatayang Kristiyano.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. No one can take my sunshine away.
Everybody's welcome here.
Happy birthday, anak Riker. Ang bilis ng panahon, isang taon ka na agad. Kahit ang kukulit yung tatlong magkakapatid, lagi pa rin kami nagpapasalamat ni Daddy na ibinigay kayo ng Panginoon sa amin. Naway lumaki kang masaya, malusog at palaging napapaligiran ng pagmamahal.
Hope you never have to leave. We're all friends and family. Come on in and open the door. Every creed, every age, every color, every sister and mother and brother, everybody's got a seat at the table. Everybody's welcome here, making smiles every year. Everybody's welcome here, come on, come on. Everybody's welcome here, love is where we gather near. Everybody's welcome here, come on, come on. We're one big family. Oh, we're one big family. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Riker, anak. Alam kong hindi mo pa naiintindihan ngayon ang lahat na nangyayari, pero sa pagdating ng araw na mapanood mo to, maging masaya ka sana at maramdaman mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Isa ito sa pinakamahalagang selebrasyon sa iyong buhay at masaya kami na kasama ka namin mula sa iyong unang taon. Naway patuloy tayong gabayan ng Panginoon sa araw-araw upang mapalaki namin kayong tatlo ng may maayos na buhay at may mabuting puso. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak.
Everybody's welcome here, making smiles every year. Everybody's welcome here, come on, come on. Everybody's welcome here, love is where we gather near. Everybody's welcome here, come on, come on. One big family. Oh, one big family. Yeah. Life's too
Welcome to the Christian world and happy birthday, Riker. We love you.
Happy birthday, Riker!
Everybody's welcome here,